a pure, total Serbian downpour. So who put this rock in our bike path? Okay, Enzo, there are worse things that can happen in life. 97, we were actually at 105 degrees when we came to a stop, and that's the warmest we've seen these two hub motors so far, doing their jobs, hauling us up close to the Italian Alps now. So we're stopping for a cool down break, personal and motor.
On the way to the top of the Rhone Valley.
An epic solar route. The road's gonna be like this for quite a while, actually. I really like how you can even take your hands off the strike when you're steering. Like it just holds whatever direction you're going. But up ahead it looks like really dark clouds. So those are the parts that he was just cutting, eh? Yeah. So yeah, that's the one part on our bicycle that broke, was that same mechanism, the thing that only goes one direction. Wow. Oh boy. It's one way to do a trampoline. There's a slide that started it all, built 47 years ago. Whee! Show more enthusiasm.
What? Oh, sorry.
See that? Woo!
Oh, it's not water. He's saying it's whiskey.
Hey, bravo, bravo. Bike charging in full sun. total Serbian downpour, and part of me is dry, but not all of me. Okay, no, Ansel, we gotta stop and seek some coverage and stop all the electronics, I think, because this is insane. Look at that. How you doing?
Okay, until my legs got soaked. Yeah, because of the wind. Otherwise the rest of us is pretty well protected. So now that we're stopped, we're kind of fine, but we want to keep going.
We want to keep going and get to Belgrade, but I think we should just wait out this downpour.
Just a little bit, it would make a big difference. It's just really not nice to ride in this. Yeah, and since we don't have brake pants, it makes it a little tricky.
Yeah.
But once we stop, we well covered. It feels like a little house.
Kind of, a house with open walls.
Yay!